All right, guys, KEF show. Like, subscribe, comment down below. Okay, like I said, follow Kimberly Osa's video to get more notification of Kimberly, where she goes and what she do, so you can be able to take your kids there. Okay, what we do for our time. Okay, guys. Okay, this is what we're doing now. She come to feed the ducks, the birds, and all sorts. Okay, she's brave now to feed. Don't be too close, my daughter.
She got it all like that.
Yeah.
I don't want to go one for the duck.
Kimberly, you're not feeding these ducks here.
I give you some flavor. It's just for the seagull. Seagull almost fight me.
This is Seagull here.
No. I'm gonna throw some from over there where the cute ducks are. Kimberly, do you want to come with me over there where all the cute ducks are? Yeah.
Let's go look for the kids.
I'm gonna try catching a bird. I want to try feed them. I'm gonna try feeding the bird like this.
KEF show. Like, subscribe, comment down below. Go to Kimberly Osa's video and get more notification what she do and where she go, so you can go and have fun with your kids, and so they can be spending good time together. Not to be at home all day. Even if you're working, at least choose 1 or 2 days to go out with your kids. It's really good, important for their brain. It's good. There's time for learning, there's time for playing, there's time for everything actually. Can you see the bed, guys? Look at the beds. Wow! Wow, look at the big dog, guys. Hello. It's cute, isn't it?
He's a daddy one. He
Oh.
terrorize everyone.
Oh.
You know the fight. Oh, look, what is it there? Look. Parrot.
Where is it?
Look there. Look.
Oh.
Parrot. Take picture. Yeah, parrot.
Please. Yeah, that's better, baby girl. Don't be favor, hey,
Mummy, can I have your phone
favor.
on my channel? No, I This is a dream! Wow! It wants it! Okay. Calm down. Wait, patient! Why are you being patient? Patient! Ducks!
Favor. You wanted to fall in there. Guys, the park is just there.
Yeah, the black. Yeah. All the way to the stage. Yeah, I'll get it. I will get it. Yeah. I can see the
Look at the dark. Huh?
This is our window one. Whoa! That's big! Oh, Mama, you have to come back. Mama!
Let's go then.
Mommy.
Hmm?
Hi guys, we're here to see the ducks. Actually,
Oh, sorry.
Sorry.
yes, hi guys. We're here to see the ducks, and we just have to get the ducks and try to follow them, and then they have to show us. Come on.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below to get more notification. Subscribe. Press the red button so you can subscribe, and press the bell for more notification so you can get more of Kimberly. Go to Kimberly Osa's video so you get more video of where Kimberly is going, so you can come with your kids and have a good time. Yeah, all right, we'll leave you guys for now.
Almost got
I'm
my
gonna
head.
say bye.
Bye guys!
These ones,
Oh, I see it, the green one.
they got green head.
The green head, yeah. That's enough.
All right, guys, we're gonna say bye. Say bye.
Bye guys!